Assalamualaikum. In this video I will show you how you can install your Fortran compiler in Ubuntu 22.04 version. So it's 3-step procedure. Just follow my step-by-step procedure and you will get your install Fortran compiler in your Ubuntu 22.04. So you just have to write, first of all, the first command is sudo apt update. It requires your password, so just enter your password of your Ubuntu. Just click enter. You can see it start processing. Just wait until now. You can see it's done. Now you have to write your second command, and your second command is sudo apt install gfortran. Sudo apt install gfortran. Okay, this is your second command. Just click enter. You can see it requires your confirmation. Just type Y for yes option and click enter. You can see now your gfortran is start installing in your Ubuntu 22.04 version. Okay, just wait a moment until this process complete. Okay, now you can see the processing ends. Now your last command to compile this is here. You can see your Fortran version, as your Fortran is now completely installed in your Ubuntu 22.04. Now you can easily access your gfortran compiler. Okay, so to check your gfortran version, you have to buy a command, and the command is gfortran space dash dash version. This is how you can see your gfortran version. Okay, just click enter, and you can see GNU Fortran Ubuntu copyright this already installed in your Ubuntu 22.09 successfully. Now you can access every Fortran .f9 file easily. So thanks for watching. This is all for today. I let you know that how to install your gfortran compiler in your Ubuntu 22.04 version. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. Like our this playlist. Allah Hafiz.